I'm at Virubhumi. And I missed actually. I came earlier, but I was in the rain. I got stuck up. And they told that you came and go. Here it is full crowd. And Papa is there. So I feel bad. I came in the morning early. I came. Actually, I missed and I got down at the wrongly. I got down there and then I came again. Then at the time the barishna, so I got stuck up between. So now these fellows are telling that you came in the barish and go. But anyway, you are not doing anything. Anyway, here it is fully crowded only, so we can't do anything. So Papa is with us. That's special. Okay. And one thing about these then that messages here might come with these cards. These all came now 2 weeks back. This because of this humidity. Okay, that is not the thing, but Papa's father has to follow. So these fellows are nothing. So here so many people are. Okay. Don't irritate Pranidh is the devil that see also she's from Mumbai Law University. Then Rao fellows are in this world and nobody can beat you. You need to understand that. In any ways. So the people will show their frustrations in that.
What's up?
I thought I will come there. So I early came and actually I woke up by 4 o'clock and I got prepared everything and I came. And then actually I came early. But when the bus reached near to Prithviraj Road, I suddenly got down. Barish was there. I thought, okay, I had to come through there. Every day my route is there. So mistakenly I got down there. Actually that bus was coming to Delhi gate. And then after that the bus was not coming. The heavy barish and I got stuck up in that bus stop for more than half an hour. Like that I missed you. But I know nobody is missing anybody. Everything is. And be careful that you're not declaring that if anybody is the who are all desperate to declaring, that way only it will go. These fellows are hijacking my mother and so while telling lies and yes, so actually I wonder. Actually now you will be going to Bombay, then you are going to Warangal, Telangana also. So actually Ravindra Reddy now he is grabbing billions because last week also he was in the US and Korea and nice offers. That's the reason. These fellows don't believe this kind of cultural devils. Everybody is greedy, nobody is sincere to you or anybody. Just want to